I'm Michelle Merlo, host of Buffalo Rising's Bitters. This series, sponsored by KegWorks, will explore unique ingredients of local cocktail culture and the products, people, and places that make drinking in Buffalo so special. Here's how to give cocktail pods this season using reverse spherification. I blend 5 grams of sodium alginate with 1 liter of distilled water, then let it rest for an hour to eliminate air bubbles. I'm using 1 ounce of whiskey, 1 ounce of Campari, and 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. Then I add an ounce of water and enough calcium lactate gluconate to equal 2% of the cocktail's weight. For this Boulevardier recipe, I blend in 3 grams of calcium lactate gluconate. I pour the cocktail into an ice cube tray and glide it into the freezer. When the cubes are frozen, I heat up the sodium alginate bath to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. They melt fast, so I quickly pop one out and stir it around until the inside melts. If left in the alginate mix for too long, the pod will get chewy, so I scoop it out, give it a double water rinse, and store it in a jar filled with equal parts whiskey, Campari, and sweet vermouth.